it's time to put it all together. You're going to need to get the overall rank and the tournament seed. Those are metrics that combine all sorts of different information, so they're really important to have in our analysis. Unfortunately, we don't know what they are until the tournament bracket is released, so you need to do some data manipulation at the end. So to populate this men's ranking piece, your data source is going to go here to men's rankings, which gives you the net rankings of all of the tournament, all of the schools. So I'm going to copy all of that data. Now, I'm probably not going to need all of the data because they are not all going to make the tournament, but I'm going to grab it all here. So copy that. And we're going to put this in men's ranking. I'm going to put it on this second piece because I actually need the header that I wasn't able to copy. So if I go back here, what I want at the top, it's going to let me do that. I really just want the rank in the school. I don't actually need all the other stuff for this right now. So let me go back here where I was. So this is the rank. That was the previous. We're not going to worry about that. And then this is the school. I'm going to delete that column. I'm going to leave the conference in there. And this is their overall record. I'll leave that in there as well. All right, all this other stuff I don't worry about. Get rid of it. Okay. So I want to, this is going to help me. I'm going to say, well, I want to make a filter here. And so I'm going to simplify my life a little bit. I'm going to say, are they in the top? I don't know how many it's going to pull from, but you will by the time the tournament comes. I'm going to say the top 64. And then I'm going to say equals if this is less than 64. I'll do 65. Yes. Else, no. All right, and I'll populate that all the way down. Now, this should be pretty obvious that after I get there, it gets a no. Why do I want to do that? All right, well, I want to simplify this a little bit. I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to say data, create a filter. And I'm going to filter this. I don't want to see the no's. I don't want to see the blanks. I just want to see the ones that are the top ones. So there's my ones that are the top. All right. And so to get their rank, I have to do a couple of things. Unfortunately, and this happens a lot in data, that what we have here is our team, right? And what we have here as the name is not necessarily the same. Now I'm going to help myself a little bit by sorting these A to Z. And at least that is a little bit alphabetical. And then I got a couple of options. Right now, I think what I can do is I can grab this. I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to temporarily put it here. All right. And I want to figure out where these things are. So I know Alabama's number 6. So I'm going to do a Control F for Alabama. And I can see their overall rank was a 6. And then I'm going to go to the next one, Arizona. Right? Arizona is a 7. Arizona State is a 64. I'll fill that all the way out. Right, so I'll just basically put in my values. And then what that does, I'll do that for them. I'll get all my numbers in there. And then I'll do the same thing with my tournament seed. All right, my tournament seed is going to be found in the same spot, but you'll go to your bracket. And the difference is, this is from before. This is last year's. You will have the number next to them. You're going to have 4 number 1s, 4 number 2s, all the way up to 4 number 16s. So that one will be a little bit simpler, right? You'll go back in here and you will populate the tournament seed. So you just have 1 through 16. All right. Once you have it all, let's just say I'm going to just cheat so I can show you. That's a 1. That's a 2. Let's say they're a 7. When you're ready to just look at all your data, you'll bring your metrics over. So you bring over the data and your final metric. And once you're ready, you can take this whole big data set you can create a filter. And basically, you just want to filter out the thing. You don't want the blanks. You just want the numeric values that are actually in the tournament. So if I had to populate the whole way, this would just give me the 64 teams in the tournament, and I'd be able to do my analysis then. And that's going to be really helpful to figure out how to make your selection. So it's a little bit of work to clean the data at the end, but it'll give you a tool that you can use to actually do your analysis. All right, good luck.